what's up? Welcome back to Just Jay. I'm Jagriti Pandey and today I'm back with another episode of Headstand series. Welcome to episode 2. I really hope कि आपने पहले वाली वीडियो ज़रूर देखी हो because we are going episode by episode. तो अगर आपने पहले वाली वीडियो मिस की होगी तो you might face problem following this one. तो please I highly recommend go watch episode 1 of Headstand series first and then come back to this video and practice along with me. I'm putting link in the description box. Please देख लीजिएगा. Alright, before starting our practice, make sure कि आपके heavy meal और आपके headstand practice में at least 2 hours का gap हो and then practice. Alright, without wasting much time, let's quickly dive into the video. Alright guys, तो episode 1 में हमने देखा how to put both our forearm and our head together on the floor और also we discuss कि अगर हम ये पहली बारी करें तो we can also put a pillow below our head. That would make us more comfortable. So from here, let's proceed further. Also one very important thing guys, इसमें कोई fixed breathing pattern नहीं है. Make sure that you're breathing all throughout. Even when you're in this upside down position, make sure that you keep breathing. Okay? So, go back in the same position. Be as close to your face. And then from here, fold your legs up, fold your legs again and then down. Repeat the same with the other leg. Fold it up, fold it again and down. हम ये इसलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि हम ये जान पाएँ कि हमें अपना पूरा का पूरा जो प्रेशर है वो हमें अपने हेड पे नहीं देना है, हमें अपने इन फोरआर्म्स पे भी प्रेशर शिफ्ट करना है. So repeat this for 10 times, 5 on each leg. Come back, take a deep breath and relax. बहुत सारे लोग ये भी सोच रहे होंगे कि क्यों ना हम डायरेक्टली वॉल पे अपने आप को पुश करें एंड देन थ्रो करें और वैसे स्टार्ट करें. बट मेक श्योर कि आपकी बॉडी थोड़ा सा अडेप्ट कर जाए इन बीइंग दैट अपसाइड डाउन पोजीशन. अदरवाइज हमारे बैक में, हमारे हेड में इंजरी हो सकती है. इसके बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं. मेक श्योर दैट यू गो स्लो, गो ईजी एंड लेट योर बॉडी अडेप्ट थ्रू द होल प्रोसेस. बिकॉज अल्टीमेट एम ये नहीं है कि बस सर के बल ऊपर करके खड़े हो गए. अल्टीमेट गोल ये है कि आपकी बॉडी को फील हो. यू शुड फील कि येस आई एम एन अपसाइड डाउन पोजिशन, आई एम फीलिंग ईच ब्रेथ and I'm enjoying it. Alright, now from here we move on to the next step. What we will do is we would be in the same position. Make sure कि आप ये तभी करो जब आप वाली एक्टिविटी में एकदम कंफर्टेबल हो गए हो, तब ही ये स्टार्ट करिए. अदरवाइज योर बॉडी विल लैक बैलेंस और आप इधर उधर भी गिर सकते हो. So again, your forearm on the floor and your head. Push your body upwards. Your hips should face the sky or ceiling, whatever. Be comfortable in this position. Also, when you're doing this activity, it doesn't matter whether you're keeping your leg completely straight. What matters is कि आप इसको कितना देर तक hold कर पा रहे हो. Because the ultimate goal is to balance your body on your head and your forearm. Make sure that you shift some pressure from your head to your forearm and just balance. Even if you're just lifting your leg till here, make sure that you balance and make sure that you keep breathing. Now from here, take one leg, bend it, straighten it, and then keep it on whatever thing you're using. Take another leg and keep it on the same thing. Also, ये उनके लिए भी बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा जिनके knees bended रहते हैं because you're already getting a support of a chair or of a stool whatever. तो आपको अपने पैर सीधे रखने में भी हेल्प होगी. Keep something for your support and then relax there. Make sure that you keep breathing एंड रिलैक्स। ऑल्सो मेक वन थिंग वेरी श्योर कि आपकी बॉडी एकदम लूज नहीं छोड़ दो, आपकी एकदम ऐसे यहाँ पे लेटे हुए हैं, नहीं। Put a timer of 30 seconds, hold on to this position and come back. Fold your legs. Alright guys, that was it for episode 2 of Headstand series. I highly request कि बस ये वीडियो मत देखिए, प्लीज़ प्रैक्टिस along with me during the video. इस पूरे सीरीज़ को मैंने बहुत छोटे छोटे एपिसोड्स में डिवाइड किया so that it becomes easy and we can practice along. So please practice along with the video and अगर आप dedicatedly and consistently मेरे साथ practice करेंगे तो I can guarantee that by the end of this series we can be headstand buddies and can practice together. So if you like this video, please make sure that you give it a huge fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर करिए ताकि सभी शीर्षासन यानी कि हेडस्टैंड कर पाएँ. And yes, I would see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep exercising, keep practicing, and have a happy, healthy life.